Actually, nagkita po yung mama ko and yung family ni Chloe twice po. And then, yun, nag-usap po sila.
In the last resort, my family made a group chat
Yeah.
na kasama everybody involved because my family wanted to address kung ano yung issues ni mama towards me.
Yeah, kasi marami na siyang pinapost.
Yeah, madami na siyang pinapost. And even though my family knew na madami na siyang pinapost, my family still welcomed them, treated them with respect and with no judgment na pinaringgan nila yung side ng mama, what she had to say about me and our relationship. And then, after the group chat, she left.
Yeah.
Your mom left. And wala siyang narinig anything from my family.
May recent interview po kayo na kinakongratulate niyo po ako. Kung genuine po talaga kayo, maraming salamat po. Ina-acknowledge ko po yung pagka-congratulate niyo sa akin. Pero nagpa-flashback pa rin po talaga yung sasakit yung sinabi sa akin. At yung mga hindi niyo pag-visual sa akin. Like, tumatatak po yan sa akin talaga. Ang message ko po sa inyo na mag-heal kayo, mag-move on. At napatawad ko na kayo long time ago. Pinag-pray ko na maging safe kayo palagi at nasa maayos kayong kalagayan.